Welcome to Learn English with Lizzy. My name is Elizabeth Peter, and my goal is to help you improve your English fluency through educational English videos. Today, we are going to learn about 20 advanced English words beginning with letter O. Orphan. An orphan is a child whose parents are dead. Example: he became an orphan at the age of 4 and lived all his life in the orphanage. Ostracize. To ostracize means to refuse to have anything to do with somebody, especially because of something bad they have done. To refuse to allow somebody to be part of a social group. Example: she was ostracized by her parents for her refusal to support her father's political ambition. Ossify. This means to become fixed and unable to change, to make something unchangeable. Example: his ossified political views is becoming unreasonable. Otious. This means unnecessary, having no useful purpose. Example: an otious attempt to get his attention. Outdated. This means no longer useful because it is very old-fashioned. Example: we need to replace these outdated equipment. Outspeed. This means to offer more money than somebody else in order to buy something, especially at an auction. Example: James is clearly outbidding him for the car. Out and out. This means complete in every way. Example: that was an out and out denial of his present condition. Outpace. This means to move, walk, rise, or run faster than somebody or something else. Example: Fred clearly outpaced his competitors. Outrider. An outrider is a person who rides a motorcycle or a horse in front of or beside the vehicle of an important person in order to give protection to that person. Example: two outriders accompanied the president. Outrageous. This means very shocking and unacceptable. Example: his outrageous demands is beginning to get on my nerves. If you enjoyed the video this far, kindly click on the subscribe button and like the video. Thank you. Outlandish. This means very strange or extremely abnormal. Example: he is notorious for his outlandish dressing. Outdistance. This means to walk, run, or move faster than somebody else. Example: Collins outdistanced Fred in the race. Out of work. This means unemployed. Example: following the company's recent layoff, Jackson is now out of work. Outplay. This means to play much better than somebody you are competing with. Example: the team was outplayed last week. Outlast. This means to last longer than somebody or something else. Example: Mary outlasted Linda in the dancing competition. Oviparous. This means of animals that reproduce by laying or producing eggs rather than by giving birth to live babies. Example: birds and reptiles are generally oviparous. Ovoviviparous. This means of animals that reproduce by hatching eggs inside the body of the parent rather than laying and hatching the eggs outside. Example: some species of snakes are ovoviviparous. Owlet. This means a baby owl or a young owl. Example: take the owlet back to its mother. Overt. This means done openly and not secretly. Example: many people frowned at Rita's overt attempt to snatch her sister's husband. Overweening. This means showing too much pride or confidence, being arrogant. Example: his overweening attitude is beginning to irritate his colleague. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe and like the video.